here comes the cop, blazing past me at well over 100 miles per hour. What's up, guys? In the last video, I asked if you could help me locate where that cop was hiding, and we found him. If you'd like to see if you can spot him before I reveal the new footage of where he actually was, stop this video now and go watch the previous video linked below. So, without further ado, here is that sneaky bastard. It turns out, the V1 radar detector arrows were right the whole time. Case closed. Well guys, that definitely wraps things up. So, thanks for watching and take care.